Hey guys, I know today the struggle was real, so I want to go over some stuff with you real quick. The video I already sent you guys, a lot of you guys still struggled with it. So because of this, I am extending the deadline by 2 hours. I won't check until 2 hours after I post this video. Okay, if you don't watch it, that's on you. If you already did it, then you can keep your score. Whatever, okay? Remember, it's just classwork, so it's not going to hurt your grade that much if you don't do one section. Okay, so I just broke something. So say you guys get problems like this one right here, and you have to simplify it. You can't keep the square root in the denominator. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to multiply it by a 1, but it's going to be an ugly looking 1. It's going to look like root 3 over root 3, because the root 3 is what's giving you issues. So we know root 3 times root 3 is root 9, but we know the square root of 9 is just 3. So now our new denominator is just going to be that regular 3. These two numbers, you can't multiply them together, so you're just going to smush them. So it's 4 root 3 over 3. That's your answer. That's it. Okay? Hopefully I'm not talking too fast. Sounds like I am because my mouth can't keep up with me. Here we go. So then we have to find the sine of x. Okay? Remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and we did go over all of this. Okay? So sine x is right here. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. But you have to find that opposite first. Well, how do you find one missing side of a right triangle? You use Pythagorean theorem. So first you have to use Pythagorean theorem. So you got root 13 squared plus x squared equals 12 squared. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. When you do this one, the squared and the square root, they cancel out. So all you're left with is 13 plus x squared equals 144. From here, you guys should know what to do. You subtract 13 from both sides. So subtract 13, these cancel out. Okay, you guys can still see, hopefully. X squared now equals 131. Okay? But we don't want what x squared is. We want what x is. So we're going to square root both sides. X equals root 131. But we're still not done. That's not the answer. That's only the opposite side. Okay? So from there, we still have to, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. From there, we still have to find the sine of x. So we take opposite, which we said was 131, root 131 over 12. That's it. That's your answer. Now, if you get an answer that looks more like this, then you have to continue, like if that square root is the denominator, okay? Let's see if we can do this last one. This last one, same concept, okay? So you still have to do Pythagorean theorem and then plug it in for the sine. I can't write that way, sorry. I'll move over here. Can't see me anymore, but you can still hear me. It's okay. So when you do Pythagorean theorem here, you hit 2 root 5. The whole thing is squared. Plus, this is our x that we're looking for, x squared equals 2 root 10. Oh, I'm running out of room. Squared. Okay? When you have a squared outside of these parentheses like that, you have to distribute it. So we're getting 4, because 2 squared is 4, but root 5 squared is just 5. Just like we did over here when we had root 13 squared is just 13. Okay? So 4 times 5, that's this one, plus x squared equals, again, distribute, so we have 4 times 10. 4 times 5, that's easy, 20. Plus x squared, 4 times 10, another easy one, 40. From here, you would subtract both sides, so we have x squared equals 20. Square root. So x equals, you can't leave it like that. You need to break it down. 4 and 5. So it'd be 2 root 5. Okay? But that's just this. That is just your hypotenuse. Remember, you're looking for sine of v. So we have 2 root 5 over hypotenuse, which again was 2 root 5. What's 2 root 5 over 2 root 5? Anything over itself equals 1. So the sine of v in this example, which is a terrible example, but it still works, is 1. Okay? I hope this helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, please continue to text me on Remind. Okay, we are going to be setting up a Zoom conference too, possibly. I think these videos work a little bit better than having kids ask questions when I'm trying to explain it. It makes it a little bit easier. Okay, hope you guys are staying safe. Miss you. Bye.